wala na kasing available na mga original artworks nung El Indio. So we had to rely on yung mga comic books, yung mga original comics. And then, yung mga original comics na available, usually comes in mga nakabind. So mahirap i-scan yun kasi nakabind, hindi yung ma-scan yung mga loob-loob.
Hindi ko flat talaga.
Fortunately, yung Kuching family, meron silang, very fortunately, meron sila nung hiwa-hiwalay na pages.
Oh, wow, galing.
So madali siyang i-scan. Ang main problem niya, very yellow na yung mga pages. Yellow and old and brittle and mahirap na siyang i-handle.
1950s pa po
50, more than 50 years old. So ang pinaka-objective namin is to scan each page at a very high resolution. Mga 600 dpi, 800 dpi.
Laki nun.
Ayan. Para naman hindi masyadong technical yung explanation, ang purpose lang talaga is to strengthen yung black. Kailangan i-strengthen yung black before doing anything else. And then pag na-strengthen mo na yung black, pwede mo nang alisin yung yellow, pwede mo nang alisin everything else except yung black. Pati yung dirt, yung yellow, and everything. So itong mga video demonstration, makikita natin kung paano nagawa ito.
Okay, so roll video ng presentation ni Sir Jerry.